Hello everyone, in this video we will read data from database. We will be fetching all the city names and display them on the front end. To do that, go to server file. First we will create the server route and then the component for it. So on the server file we will create our server route with app.get, and then let's create a route to be descriptive server get cities, and then asynchronous request response function we need to create. Of course, it will be better to use try and catch here, and the catch part is the same like all the others. And in the try part, first we will create our client special object, and then we will be creating another variable to store the data from database, and we will be using the query method of client, and don't forget the backticks here. And later we will be using select method from Postgres, select all from myCities. myCities is the table that we have created, and then we will be saving the rows part of this data from database in db cities, and we will send it the front end in a JSON as a JSON object. Okay, and here we are finishing the connection with the database. That's it for the server part. Now let's go to read component here. As you can see, it doesn't have anything, but we don't need to create anything from scratch. Let's copy everything from hello component, which will be similar to this one, paste it here. So instead of saying hello, let's say read. Let's say read. We will not change much. This will stay the same, but instead of an empty variable, we need to make this an array, and it will stay the same, but the server route has changed. Server get cities, server get cities, and there is no my message field, it's just data. That's it actually. And here we will be saying message.map, let's say record, and we will say here key element here will be record.id, because we have an ID field on each individual city record. And also we have the city field, isn't it? Let me show you. Yeah, there is city field, so it means I can say record.city, and actually that's it. And now I am at the root level due to PERN, and here I need to say node server.js, and then I also need to open another command line for the client folder, npm start. Now if I click on the read, then it should display the city names. So let's click on it. Mumbai, Maputo. That works. See you in the next video. Bye bye.